Can visiting a website lead to a device hack? You might doubt it, but hackers are doing this by using watering hole attacks, a kind of obscure cyber threat, to spoof the target with just one click. The watering hole attack works on cross-site scripting, which is a web vulnerability, and the horrible part of it is that these are open-source tools and easily available on websites like GitHub or Bitbucket. Hackers generally prey on the less security-conscious employees of highly secured organizations through this cyber attack, and if your website is vulnerable, the visitors become prone to be attacked. How does the hacker do it? Threat intelligence, preying on the target's most visited website. Host or infect a legit website. Hackers either host their own code or compromise a vulnerable website by injecting malicious JavaScript or HTML code. Wait for the target to visit the website. Once the target visits the compromised website, the payload gets activated, which lets the hacker launch multiple malicious events into the target's computer and eventually get control over the organization's network. This social engineering hack mainly works on XSS, which can be performed only on an ill-secured website. If the target website is secured, the attacker needs to host his own website to infect the target browser. As the attack relies on web vulnerability, organizations need to regularly audit their website for detecting loopholes in order to prevent this attack. Refer to our latest blog for more updates.